Hi, welcome to my channel that's all about helping you and your pet live the best life possible together. So today I wanted to talk about dogs and using essential oils to treat some behavior or health issues that you may be having in your dog. So we are going to talk about how to use essential oils with your dogs. Sometimes there's controversy going around that essential oils are not safe for dogs and cats. Dogs and cats, they actually respond to essential oils differently. If you'd like me to do a video on essential oils and cats, please let me know in the comments. But for today, we are just talking about dogs. As you may have heard, essential oils can be harmful for dogs, and this is true in a way, but essential oils can also be very, very beneficial and really improve some behavioral or some health issues that you may be having in your dog. So in order to get the benefits from essential oils and not harm your dog, you need to follow some guidelines to make sure that the essential oils are safe. So the first thing that I'm going to say is that you never want to put the pure essential oil, 100% pure essential oil, directly on to your dog's fur or skin. You also never want to let your dog lick or ingest the essential oil. You don't want to let your dog lick the bottle that the essential oil is in or lick the essential oil off of your skin if you've put it on yourself. If you've never used essential oils for your dog, the first thing that you should do is just let your dog inhale the scent from the oil. Inhalation can be just as effective or even more effective than applying it directly to your dog's fur or skin. So to start out, that's the very first thing that you should be doing. Whenever you introduce or want to use a new oil on your dog, I think that the first thing that you should do is let your dog sniff the oil and get used to that smell before you apply the oil to your dog. Like I said, you never want to apply the 100% pure essential oil to your dog. I'm going to tell you how you can apply the essential oil safely to your dog, but for now we're just going to talk about inhalation. So you want to give your dog the freedom to be able to smell the essential oil and get the benefits, or to leave and not inhale that particular essential oil. So give your dog the freedom to avoid or to get more of the scent. That means that you're going to let your dog be able to leave the room or go outside or step away from the essential oil that you want to introduce your dog to, and you need to respect your dog and not force anything or not bring the essential oil closer to your dog. Respect your dog and what your dog wants to do. Make sure that your dog has the option to go into the fresh air. So inhalation of essential oils may be all that your dog needs. What you're going to do is you're going to hold the essential oil bottle, open up the cap, and just hold it out towards your dog. If your dog backs away, just close it up and finish and try again another day, or try within a different essential oil. You want to see if your dog approaches. If your dog is 1 to 2 feet away, that means that your dog is enjoying the smell. It might seem far, but even 8 to 10 feet away, your dog is still getting the benefits from that essential oil, so your dog doesn't really need to be close. Again, you don't want to force anything. Signs that your dog is done with the essential oil and doesn't want to inhale it anymore is lack of interest, your dog turning their back on you and on the oil and not facing you for a long period of time, your dog going to sleep, or your dog backing away from the remedy. You may also use a diffuser in your home to help your dog inhale that essential oil. But when you do use a diffuser, make sure again that you have a space in your house that your dog can get away from the essential oil and the diffuser. So maybe just use the diffuser in one room and be sure that your dog can leave the room or can go outside. Not that the diffuser fills your whole house and your dog has no escape. So when picking essential oils, you need to make sure that the essential oils are 100% pure. So on the bottle it will say 100% pure essential oil, or it will say therapeutic grade. These are the only oils that you want to use on and around your dog. Now we will talk a bit about using the essential oils on your dog instead of just the inhalation. So as I mentioned, you never want to put the pure 100% essential oil onto your dog. You need to dilute the oil. So this means that you need to add a carrier oil with the essential oil. The smaller amount that essential oil that you use is actually better, especially in the beginning when your dog isn't very used to essential oils or you haven't been using essential oils around your dog. So when you are making your dilution, you're going to use For dogs under 45 pounds, you're going to use 1 drop of essential oil and 4 drops of a carrier oil. For dogs 45 pounds and bigger, you can do a 50% dilution. So the first one was for smaller dogs is about 75% and larger dogs 50%. So that 50% would just mean 2 drops of essential oil and 2 drops of your carrier oil. For carrier oils, you can use coconut oil, olive oil. Those are just some examples. There are a lot of different oils that you can use. You can research and look up carrier oils. Every carrier oil can have different benefits, so you can choose what you think might be best, but I recommend coconut oil. So you're going to make this dilution, which is either 75% diluted or 50% diluted. The smaller the better, so I would just tend to stick with 75%. So you would do 4 drops of coconut oil to every 1 drop of your essential oil. You're going to mix this up. You can put it in a spray bottle, or you can just rub it on your dog's paw pads on their feet. I like this method the best, putting it on their feet. And you kind of just want to massage it in. You can put the essential oil mixture about anywhere on your dog except on sensitive parts like their nose, their eyes, their mouth, their ears, and other sensitive areas of the body. Also, when you're applying essential oils, make sure that your dog is well hydrated and has water, fresh water readily available, because using essential oils are detoxing, and that means that your dog is going to may become a little bit dehydrated. So ensure that your dog is taking in a little bit more fluid than regular. Again, you want to always observe your dog, make sure that your dog is comfortable and your dog is enjoying the benefits of the essential oil. If your dog looks a little anxious or nervous or frightened or uncomfortable, you can wipe that essential oil off with a damp cloth or a baby wipe, and maybe next time dilute it a bit more. Remember that all dogs are different. All dogs are going to respond to different essential oils differently, just like people don't like some scents and like other scents. So just be mindful about how your dog is feeling and be sure to always observe and watch. So now that you know how to use essential oils, you might be wondering, what essential oils can I use and what are essential oils really for? So essential oils can help a lot of health problems and behavioral problems in dogs. They can also enhance training and help your dog concentrate and learn better. I'm going to leave you with a blog post below for a list of essential oils and what they can do and how they can benefit your dog. But for right now, I'm going to leave you with 2 essential oils that I think are the greatest for dogs. The first one is lavender and the other one is peppermint. So lavender is great for dogs that may be anxious or fearful. Lavender is very calming. It makes your dog feel safe. Lavender can also help with allergies, anxiety from car rides, or separation anxiety. And peppermint is great for training. Peppermint can also help digestion and nausea. It can help dogs that aren't very hungry. It can help them increase their appetite. It can also act as an insect repellent, and peppermint is great for dogs that may get car sick. Be sure to check out the blog post because I'll have a list of a lot more essential oils and what they can do for your dog. I'll leave the link below in the comments. And again, comment if you want me to do a video on essential oils and cats, because cats are completely different. Again, there are some essential oils that are harmful for cats that are not harmful for dogs. And if you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, please consider subscribing because I have a lot more videos on helping you and your pet live the best life together. Thanks for watching this one. Bye.